dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to make a quick little video. I wanted to update you guys what's going to be going on next week. So next week I'm going to be doing intermittent fasting and keto chow. I will be breaking my fast with keto chow, and I will be eating a clean dinner. I'm trying to really just kind of bring it in. And what's happening down there? I'm doing this with Erin from Erin Does the Keto. It's not really a collab, but we're just helping each other out. We're being there for each other, and we both kind of struggle with things, you know? I mean, we'll do good for a couple weeks, and then we'll, you know, have our own reasons why we're struggling or whatever, but I find that she's very similar to me, and it's just nice to have somebody to talk to and to lean on and just talk about kind of the same thing. So we're going to be going through the same thing. We're going to both be breaking our fast with keto chow. We're going to be staying under 50 calories in our fasting in the morning. I've stopped eating at 7:30 p.m. Today is Sunday, and we're going to be doing this for a week. So I will leave her channel linked below. You can go check her out and help give her some support through this week, because that's what we're here for. We want to support each other. We want our channels to be filled with positivity. We don't need negativity. We're all on a journey together, and we all need to be there for each other. So please, let's get this going, guys, in the right direction, and let's just be there for each other. I know most of you, actually, I know 99.9% of you are very kind and are all about positivity and encouragement, and I think that's just something that a lot of us need. So let's kick this week in the ass, you guys. I will not be doing a weigh-in. We are only weighing in next Sunday. So my starting weight is 225.8. My lowest was 225.0. So I am up 0.8, and I'm really hoping that with the IF and breaking it with the keto chow and then a nice clean meal is going to really help and get me under that 225 mark. So that's all I got. There's a short little quick video just explaining what's going to be going on next week. That's what you're going to see in my vlogs. Of course, you'll see other things just as well, but that's what's going to be going on. So love you guys. See you soon.